Good morning. It's day 5, and I need to charge the van. I woke up pretty early. It's 5:20 right now. Um, Good night's sleep. I just realized I need to charge the van. That's kind of it's also 4th of July right now. So finding a campsite with electricity is out of the question. I don't think there's any way of doing that. Um, and I have this app that is for one wheels, and people put on the map places to charge outlets. So I'm gonna find this outlet that seems to be 20 minutes away and see if I can charge up there. Wish me luck. This is it. It took not even 15 minutes to find an outlet. It's behind this van. I'm not getting out. But I'm very excited. There's an outlet here. And there's nothing that says I can't do what I'm doing, which is awesome. Well, this very light USB to the power bank is a solid addition for a very cheap price to use as a nice light while I make some coffee. Well, it has become a lovely morning here in Maggie Valley. The town has been very kind in providing this creek outlook with benches and a nice little garden, pavilion, electricity. It's very tranquil. There's a motorcycle just riding through, but you know, it's very tranquil. The sound of rushing water just relaxes you so much. And I like to meditate almost as much as I can every day for about 20 minutes. It teaches you to become present, relax. That's one of the most important things for me, is relaxing, listening to your body, paying attention to certain things that you might not pay attention to as you're going about your day, because sometimes you may be focusing on other things, or you might have to channel your attention to certain things. And by listening to your body, you kind of have that in your consciousness, in the forefront. Knowing what your body is saying to you will help you understand yourself better and know reasons why you may be acting a certain way, and also the mind is an extremely powerful thing. So if you feel certain ailments or find that your body is reacting to something, you're able to kind of game plan and find a way to channel your energy towards what needs to be focused on, and that will help you go about your day much better, go about your life much better. So I just wanted to talk about how important meditation is, not just for me, but for everyone. It's just extremely powerful and important thing to do. Just 10 to 20 minutes is just enough for you to become more fluent with yourself. So I think I'm gonna do some editing on my computer, edit some videos, maybe work on some music, keep letting that van charge, and see where the rest of the day takes me. All right, I think I finally figured out this GoPro. I think I finally figured this GoPro out. I can see myself on the, let me just give a little wipey wipe. Yeah, I look funny. Anyways, I went to this Old Mare Market. Pretty cool. Got some pork rinds, $6. Some sourdough bread. I love sourdough bread. It's probably my favorite kind of bread. Fresh sourdough bread. Some Ashe County cheese. I've been seeing that at like pretty much every local market I've been to. Couple local apples. Some of the apples aren't local that I've been seeing. These peaches are from South Kakalaki. So that was about 30 bucks. Oh, this thing is delicious. This is a blackberry peach slushy. I don't know what they did to it. I hope they did me right, didn't poison me with their mountain magic. But if they did, I'm there. I'm joining the cult. It's a little cloudy out today. The van got charged. Took about 8 hours. And I was just chilling. It was nice to chill, not go anywhere. I attempted, well, I didn't attempt, I was working on some music, making some music off Ableton. I'll record myself doing that eventually. It's about 80-ish degrees right now. When the sun was out earlier, I was slightly uncomfortable. I had turned all my fans on and was managing. I did have my laptop. I was sitting on that bench earlier and doing some editing. But then I had to recharge the laptop. So I was in the van most of the rest of the day, and people are coming and going. It's a happening spot. Pretty cool area that they got going on there with bathrooms and places to walk your dog, have a little picnic. There's a little grill there as well. Anyways, I'm moving on to check out Waterrock Knob. Seems to be a nice area to see some scenic views. It's off the Blue Ridge Parkway heading south, and I think what I'm gonna do from there is go towards Asheville from there, because my cold air intake hose kit is going to arrive tomorrow at the AutoZone in Asheville. And then I will be working on installing that tomorrow, and then after that looks like it's starting to rain. After that, start making my way westward. So I got my van all charged up and ready to go. I think what today holds, the rest of the day, is checking out Waterrock Knob and posting up somewhere off the parkway and playing guitar, messing around, maybe doing some organizing. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with what today's already brought in. So let's get at it. I'm taking my cracklins to the top of Waterrock Knob, and you can't stop me. For the 4th of July, I thought it'd be a lot more packed, but I guess everyone's preparing for the fireworks down there, or I don't know. It's a good question. Where is everyone? Already losing some breath. It's a half-mile hike. It's gorgeous and feels so nice. I think we're around 6,000 feet. Forget what the elevation said. Oh yeah, strenuous stuff. Makes me want to go backpacking instead of traveling in the van, but that's for another time. smoky and blue and green, like broccoli florets. That's what they look like to me. Man, okay. Like, you could... Blue Ridge Parkway is about 500 miles long. I could easily spend a whole summer along this thing. It is just like, it's amazing. Hold on a second. It's amazing. I'm just gonna, like, there's overlooks like every half mile or so. I'm very thankful that they paved this so that we could explore, and like there's restrooms at certain areas, picnic benches, trails, waterfalls to go to. It's really got it all. And like the towns that are right off the parkway, and there are some cities as well, but they have fresh produce. It's all extremely delicious, and being high up in elevation with this cool mountain air during the summer, it's the place to be. So yeah, these have no lenses. So I made the decision to park. It's kind of slightly off level, so I decided to park perpendicular, but I think it's pretty dope. Pretty dope spot here. We're at Westerner View, and yeah, it's probably mid-70s right now, and not too far off from Waterrock. So, you know, I'm gonna be able to peek out. Oh, hold on a second. I'm just gonna go back here and take a preview. I'm so excited of what we have to look out the window waking up. Yeah, crazy, right? So yeah, I'm gonna post up here. There's service, which is always a plus. So I think I'm gonna say hi, Marcus. I think I'm gonna this wide angle lens is so funny looking. I'm going to look up some songs to learn. The World Cup is happening, and probably tune into one of the games. And yeah, this is the spot. And as I'm laying down, I can feel a slight angle, but I'm not like rolling terribly. I've experienced worse in this van, so pretty happy about it.